Hey everyone, I thought I'd shake things up a little today and do a science experiment with all of you since I haven't done one of those in a while. All you'll need for this experiment are 2 oranges, a deep bowl or a vase, a pitcher of water, and if you're messy like me, a rag to wipe things up. So for this experiment, we are going to be testing things that sink and float. If you observe it, you may notice I only have 2 oranges, but that's part of the experiment. So the first thing you're going to do is pour your pitcher of water in your deep bowl or vase. And you're going to grab your first item, an orange. Do you think this orange is going to sink or is it going to float? Let's see. It floats. Why do you think it floats? Okay, so the next thing you're going to do, I'm going to take this out, stick it on my rag. You're going to peel your orange. I may end up cutting some of this because I peel oranges really slow. Oh, I'm actually doing this quicker than I thought. You don't have to peel it really nice, just get all of the top skin off. Okay, good enough. So we have our peeled orange. Do you think this peeled orange is gonna sink or float? What did it do? You're right, it sunk. Just to test, is the orange with the peel on it still going to sink or float? Do you remember what it did before? So we have the orange that does not have a peel on it that sunk to the bottom of our vase of water, and our orange that has the peel on it that floats to our top of the vase of water. Why do you think that is? Well, if you are like me and you really need to know, the orange at the top with the peel on it protects the water from going inside of the pores of the orange. At the bottom, you have our orange that has all the tiny little openings that the skin isn't protecting it from anymore. So the water is seeping into the actual orange and it makes it heavier and it pools down to the bottom of the vase. I hope you learned something new and that you will try this at home. Be sure to post in the comments below if the experiment works for you. Bye guys!